requires one tool and 20 seconds. Here we are back with how to do stuff, and today we are going to talk to my man Adrian, the tree guy, about how to cut a Christmas tree. How long have you been doing this, Adrian?
13 years.
13 years, all right. So he throws it through the bin, and tell us why and how you're cutting this.
So we're taking a bow saw and we're cutting 2 inches off the bottom, because once these are cut, the sap hardens. Once the sap hardens, the tree can't drink water. So when you're buying a Christmas tree, you need to make sure that you get a fresh cut. When you get one from Whole Foods or Lowe's or Home Depot, they're not giving you a fresh cut.
All right, so you want it 2 inches above.
2 inches above. And so what that does, that gives it the fresh cut, clears up the sap.
That allows the water to take on, the tree to take on water.
So then you got about an hour and a half, 2 hours max. You got to get this in water right away, because if you don't get it in water, that sap will then harden back up and the tree can't take in water.
Okay, so once you get it cut and you have an hour and a half, what is the best thing to put in the water to make your tree last the longest?
I say water.
Perfect.
There's going to be a lot of people that say aspirin, sugar, Sprite, all these things. Water. These trees growing, they don't drink sugar, they don't drink aspirin, they don't drink Sprite. They need water.
And how often do you water it?
You never let it run out of water. So especially in the first few days, it's going to drink a lot. And each tree is going to behave differently. Each tree is going to consume a different amount of water. So you have to check it morning, night. Keep filling it up, never let it run out of water. Because if it runs out of water, that sap hardens and then you can't get it back in there.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much for the info. And if you guys want to hear anything else on how to do stuff, just let me know. See you next time.